National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Young County in North Central Texas, Southwestern Wise County in North Central Texas, Southern Jack County in North Central Texas, Northwestern Parker County in North Central Texas, Northeastern Palo Pinto County in North Central Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Jacksboro to Graham, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Graham, Jacksboro, Grayford, Bryson, Fort Richardson State Park, Lake Graham, Lake Bridgeport, Runaway Bay, Perrin, Salesville, Witt, Lost Creek Reservoir, Cottondale, G-Town, Balzora, Joplin, Martins Chapel, Boonesville, Wizard Wells, and Vineyard. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.